Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make a super simple eggs and shrimp. This is actually a Cantonese dish. I don't know if you ever made it. Please leave me a comment below, let me know. And in Chinese it's called 滑蛋虾仁. Let me show you the simple ingredients. I have about 1/3 of a pound shrimp already deveined, cleaned by Mr. Cameraman. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And you just need to season with a little bit of salt. So seafood doesn't need so much seasoning. And you can use any size shrimp, preferably, baby shrimp, smaller shrimp. And I have 3 eggs. My favorite eggs, EBX, eggplant, right? And we season the egg as usual with some salt and white pepper powder. You can also use ground black pepper and a little bit of water. So this way make eggs even more fluffy and also increase the volume, right?
Yep.
And we have some chopped green onions, 2 stalks of green onions, and we're ready to cook. Today I'm going to cook right on the counter because this dish doesn't require high heat and it will be so fast. Let's get started. First we'll heat up the pan to high heat. I'm going to use non-stick pan. We add some oil. You can use any vegetable oil. Now we're going to cook a shrimp. It's going to take about 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, our shrimp is ready. Let's turn off the heat. Now we add the shrimp into eggs. And also add our green onions. That should be enough. Give a mix. Now we can turn the heat to medium low. Add a mixture. Kind of like an omelette, right?
Yeah. Wow, it smells so good.
But
Shrimp omelet.
Yeah, just stir a little bit. So you kind of cut into pieces. Make sure we don't overcook eggs. It's supposed to be tender and silky.
Wow, it smells so good.
It's under a minute. Should be done. A little bit wet here. And our eggs and shrimp are ready. Shall we try?
Let's try it.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's awesome.
So comforting. Yeah.
Really? It's so easy to make too.
Hashtag keto friendly. Hashtag kids friendly. Please try to make this so simple. Everybody can find the ingredient, right?
Wow, it's great.
I'm going to list the ingredients in the description box as usual, even they're very simple. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.